Hi guys, it's Michelle again with another unboxing. So, ooh. Okay, so the front, the side, Young Forever, the back, and the other side. Again, like I said in my first unboxing for this, the day version, it is really heavy compared to other albums. Can't take this out. And the photo book is really thick, so I really like it. So yeah, let's start. You get both CDs with the whole track list, and that's what I got a little confused about. I thought he got like one CD on one version and the other one on the other version, but you get both. So this is where the CDs are, and then the back CDs in there. I really like how they did this art thing. Like the CDs complete the whole image. I really like that. And the poster, which we'll get to later. Now the photo book. I can't wait to see this. I don't think I've seen pictures from the night version. I'm not sure. Okay, that's fine. Oh my god, it's black. I wasn't expecting this. I wasn't expecting the the Polaroid to be this early on the back. Oh my god, okay. Oh, look at this. So pretty. Then Ramon with that vlog. Ramon. Oh, he looks so cute. Oh, it's such a cute picture. Like the view is really pretty. Look at Jin. He looks like a kid here. J-Hope. What is that? Is it like a marshmallow? Oh, I think it is marshmallow. Okay. Jimin! Oh my god, Jimin! Good Jimin! I like this outfit. Ooh, V. Oops. I like this picture of V. Oh, these pictures are really beautiful. Just very well taken. Oh. I like this picture. Jungkook and J-Hope. Oh, look at me. Oh. This is so adorable. Oh my god. I am sorry for my voice. No, I'm not. Oh. I love Jungkook's hair. Just love how it is like messy. You guys can't see me, but I'm like, even in the last unboxing, I've been just smiling, just watching these pictures, and this is one of my favorites so far. Oh, cute. Oh, it looked like he was crying. This one looks like this picture that you take like accidentally. But then at the same time, like if you look at this part, it looks like they're doing like a sacrifice or something. Ignore my last comment. Okay. so pretty here. It looks great. Oh my god. Look at his eyes. Oh my god. Oh. Campfire. Oh, red monster. Look at that thing. Red monster again. I know I'm kind of going through this a little faster than the other one. I'm sorry. Shoot that. Oh god. I love his eyes. Jin! I like this picture of Jin. J-Hope. Ooh. His eyes. Oh my god. Wow. Janan. Why did Suga only get one picture? Like, all of them are getting at least two, and Suga just got one. Suga just got one. What the heck? Fake it. Why? I don't know which picture I like the most. Kind of like this one, but I like this one. Okay, let's continue. Is this the same picture from the first one? Oh my god. Oh. This officially my favorite picture from Jungkook. I don't know who I said my official favorite picture on the last version, but this is my favorite, at least for this version from him. I love this picture. Oh my god. Oh, and this is the one that's on the back of the album, of the CD thingy. Ta-da! Okay, let's continue. Group picture. Group pictures. More group pictures. And then the thanks to Red Monster, Suga, Jin, J-Hope, Jimin, V, and Jungkook. And then, oh look how pretty it looks. Looks so beautiful. And the CD1 track list with the lyrics for the songs. And the CD2 track list with the lyrics of the songs as well. I know my camera has been shaking. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, and then the thanks to it, the credits. And we are done. Now for the poster, which is the last thing we have to check out from here. Let me just put these things inside. Okay, so let's go for the poster now. Hey guys, so this is the poster, and it's the same as the cover. One thing that I'm really sad about is that it got ripped, like right there. I don't know if I did it, or I don't know if it came like that, or I accidentally ripped it. I don't know, but I'm a little sad about that. I'll probably buy another version because I need photo cards. Okay, anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And again, tell me who your bias is. If you have the albums, who did you get? And if you got a Polaroid, also tell me that. And if you could answer my question from the last time, which is if you get a Polaroid randomly, or if it's only like first press. So yeah, bye.